This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure system updates are applied and a secure screen lock is active. Next, open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, then choose Fingerprint and follow prompts to enroll a print. Use firm, consistent presses, capture edges. Once done, verify the fingerprint unlocks the device. This step matters because app-level fingerprint works on top of the system lock. If the system enrollment fails, app locking cannot rely on biometric authentication. Now you configure the lock itself. Open the phone's app lock or install a trusted locker app and grant it usage, notification, and overlay permissions so it can detect and protect apps. In the locker settings, choose Fingerprint as the unlock method, then pick the apps you want protected. Make sure to disable auto-unlock windows that could expose content. Also, enable strong fallback like a PIN. That prevents lockout if biometric temporarily fails, and it preserves access for critical apps. Finish by testing each locked app. Try opening, check notification previews, and confirm the fingerprint prompt appears. If everything works, enable any backup or cloud sync for the locker settings so you don't lose configurations. For trouble, if biometric prompts fail, wipe and dry the sensor, re-enroll the fingerprint using slightly different angles, and verify the locker app has all permissions. If persistent issues occur, update the app and OS. Make sure no power saving mode is killing the locker in the background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.